Hey there, we're Crystal and Eric, corporate remote workers, Airbnb photographers, and now full-time van lifers. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And come along with us today as we show you one of our favorite places in the entire world, Aruba. Although one of the smaller islands in the Caribbean, Aruba is huge when it comes to adventure, featuring unforgettable aspects such as year-round sunny days, exciting and dramatic desert landscapes, as well as a rich cultural history, just to name a few. Aruba is a can't-miss travel destination that will keep you coming back for more. Today, we'll count down our top 5 reasons to plan your next getaway to the one happy island of Aruba, starting with number 5, visiting Aruba's Donkey Sanctuary. For both animal lovers and history lovers alike, a trip to Aruba's Donkey Sanctuary is a can't-miss activity during your visit to the island. Just a quick drive from the coast, the island is only 6 miles across at its widest point, so this will be true for everything on this list. The Donkey Sanctuary is completely free to visit and a ton of fun. You'll get to hang out with the free-roaming donkeys, feed them by hand in exchange for a small donation, and learn about their 500-year history on the island at the Shaded Visitor Center and Cafe on site. Number 4, hiking Hooiberg Mountain. Featuring dramatic views while simultaneously being relatively easy to summit, a trek up Hooiberg Mountain is perfect for hikers of every skill level. Standing only 541 feet tall, the Aruban landscape falls away from the mountain in each direction, creating panoramic views of the entire island, and on especially clear days, all the way over to neighboring Venezuela. Although at times quite steep, the hike is completely paved with concrete steps and features handrails for stability. The rewarding view from the top will be well worth your efforts. Number 3, taking a UTV tour of Arikok National Park. Full disclosure, I did not know what I was getting myself into with a UTV tour. This is a truly thrilling experience that is not for the faint of heart. I'm cured of my dirt road fear. I'll never complain again because that was not a road.
That was not a road.
I will accept dirt roads into the road family now. But if you're up to the challenge, a UTV tour is a must-do and an absolute highlight of visiting Aruba. Arikok National Park will take you on a wild ride to places on the island that are not accessible by car. In this otherworldly landscape, you'll find ancient caves, striking rock formations, and sandy shoreline to explore. An Aruban UTV tour is truly a one-of-a-kind way to see this island and is perfect for thrill seekers. Number 2, visiting the Balashi Gold Mill ruins and seeing the burrowing owls. Situated atop Aruba's Spanish lagoon, the Balashi Gold Mill ruins are emblematic of Aruba's rich cultural history and beg to be explored. The ruins are free to visit and perfect for history and photography buffs. And just below the ruins along the Spanish lagoon itself, you'll find the island's most unique inhabitants, the burrowing owls known locally as the Shoko. After our first visit to the island, we fell in love with these amazing creatures. So much so, we bought a zoom lens to capture them up close upon our return.
We need a telephoto lens.
It's
We're
sealed.
always like, no,
He's back.
we shoot properties. No, we shoot birds now.
This combo excursion is a mandatory stop on all of our visits to the island. And coming in at number 1, snorkeling in Aruba's pristine waters. Aruba is home to world-class aquatic exploration. You'll find an abundance of sea life to marvel at, including a seemingly endless number of fish, moray eels, and playful sea turtles. I mean, look at this little guy. All to be enjoyed while floating in warm and crystal clear water. For us, Boca Catalina is the spot that we return to again and again, and will do so for years to come. That concludes our top 5 can't miss activities in Aruba. Let us know in the comments which is your favorite, or if there's anything that we missed. Make sure to follow us for more travel and van life content, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!